I extend a very hearty welcome to all the media persons who have joined today at our headquarters to cover this important seminar, which is Security Synergy Seminar on Whole of Nation Approach. This is a two-day event which is starting today, and this seminar is aptly looking at what are security challenges we face in today's world. As in my introductory remark I had told, today's very volatile and confusing environment called VUCA, which is not easily discernible. Why it is so? Because security threats are changing itself. Today we are faced with multi-domain kind of threats, which range from cyber, space, electronic warfare. Also the actors have changed. From conventional militaries, today threats are by non-state actors, which you can call them terrorists, non-state actors, or somebody else's proxies. Similarly, targets of the security environment have changed. Earlier used to be purely military targets. Today adversaries are targeting economies, they are targeting political infrastructure, they are also targeting civilians, and all other critical infrastructure of the nation is being targeted. So if you see, the whole nature of warfare has changed, starting from how we fight war, how we target, and still we achieve our national objectives. If this is the change which is happening in the world, and to see what current wars are going through, Russia-Ukraine, a very long drawn war. On the other side, we had a small conflict in Thailand, Cambodia, just for a very short time. India, Pakistan also embroiled in a very short skirmish called Op Sindoor, just under 90 hours. So the scope, nature, everything in warfare is changing. So that is why the need to also prepare for these future threats. We thought that we should have a seminar in Jaipur, in which all stakeholders who should be ensuring the national security should come together, discuss about these problems, and find answers to these problems. That is why the whole of nation approach is very important today, to tackle all security threats. Unless we combine together, we won't be able to tackle those threats. And that is why we have this seminar organized here. And as you know, seminar is over 4 sessions. The first session is strategic level, in which what should be the way we understand our immediate neighborhood, our security threats, and how India should align to those security threats, what should be the architecture at national level. Then whole of nation approach is a very whole big segment. In 2 days, we won't be able to cover all aspects of that. But what is more important, for the security people, we have only kept those 2 subjects. One is capability development through Atmanirbharta, in which industry, academia, and the military forces join in synergy to develop capability for the military to apply at the adversary, both in grey zone as also in conventional warfare. So one session after the strategic seminar will be on the second session is on the Atmanirbharta and how to develop capability. The third session is on very important aspects called information warfare and cyber warfare. Today as we are speaking, we are forced under the same warfare today. Immediately you will see fake, deep fake, cyber attacks. So we are going to discuss about those issues and what should be our response to those issues, how we can all join together to defeat the nefarious design of enemy, information and cyber warfare. And the last session is more important because we are from Rajasthan and I am responsible for border Rajasthan, and the state government and us, how we should fight these threats together, actually on ground. The last session is designed toward that, in which we are very happy to say that DGP and the member of Chief Secretary Staff are going to join us to discuss this problem threadbare and then find answers, so that we are able to find solutions for Rajasthan, how we will fight whole of nation approach in Rajasthan itself as a case study. So all the deliverable from this seminar will be sent to all stakeholders for taking note, so that as and when the next conflict we are faced with, we are better prepared and we can give befitting reply to adversary. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I am answering.
उसमें होल ऑफ नेशन जो अप्रोच थी वो किस तरीके से देखने को मिली?
ऑपरेशन संदूर में अंदर होल ऑफ नेशन अप्रोच एक उस टाइम के लिए जिंजर अप कर दिया गया। जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा, उसके लिए तैयारी करते करते कम 15 दिन लग गए थे। तो उसके अंदर बहुत सी एक्टिविटी करी गई, जैसे हमने देखा सिविल डिफेंस ड्रिल भी प्रैक्टिस किया गया, लेकिन वो कंटीजेंसी होने के बाद किया। क्या हमें अगली लड़ाई को पहले से तैयारी करना है कि उसके बाद करना है? क्वेश्चन वो है। तो इसलिए अभी हमारे अगर खतरे बढ़ रहे हैं तो हमारे को पहले से ही तैयार रहना पड़ेगा, ताकि होल ऑफ नेशन अप्रोच के बारे में हर बच्चा, हर गांव वाला, हर सिविल सर्वेंट और जो उसके ऑर्गन है वो समझ जाएं, और अगर कंटीजेंसी आती है तो क्विकली रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए अपना अपना कार्य कर लेंगे, तो हम होल ऑफ नेशन अप्रोच से और भी ज्यादा सक्सेस हो जाएंगे।
राजस्थान में सर होल ऑफ नेशन
अभी यही तो आप डिस्कस करने आएंगे कल, देखेंगे अभी किस लेवल पे है। कुछ ऑलरेडी हमारे सिस्टम चल रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी हम आगे कुछ एक रोड मैप तैयार करेंगे कि क्या हमें 6 महीने में कोई एक्सरसाइज करनी है या 4 महीने में करनी है। वो तो जब कल डिस्कशन होगा उसके बाद कोई रोड मैप तैयार किया जाएगा, और फिर आर्मी और सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मिलकर उस रोड मैप का आगे लेके जाएंगे।